LeapFrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Hello everybody, it's LeapFrog. We're back, and today we're taking you through a powerful automated bot with a trailing up feature that requires no grid bot maintenance. It will simply follow the price up and down. This bot is for spots, not futures, but you can use leveraged tokens for good profits. Let's set one up. We're bullish on Bitcoin and looking at Bitcoin 5 long, a leveraged token representing Bitcoin. Zooming out to the monthly time frame, we can see we're in oversold territory. There's a powerful harmonic pattern, though it's difficult to draw on such a big time frame. We expect a massive run-up of at least 342%, but at 5x leverage you can multiply that by 5, which means well over 1,500% upwards. Firstly, look at the menu under Spot on the right and set up our Infinity Grid bot, similar to the whale launch strategy. Measure down more than 50% because drops can be quite severe, different from futures. Measure down to the bottom of this candle, about 71%, and draw in your lower grid. The top grid is different, only 10% up. If you're a bit off, that's fine. The bot will sort it out. Draw your top line. We only need the bottom value, so customize with a lower limit of 0.49 for the bottom and take profit every 10%. With $135, we can create the bot. To start the grid bot, we need to buy 28.95 Bitcoin 5 long tokens, a leveraged token. Buy it and start the bot. The bot is now started. This bot will buy and sell infinitely without requiring any grid level changes or maintenance, unlike the futures bots. This Infinity Grid bot is set up and running, buying and selling at every 10% interval. You can set a take profit price and a stop loss price, but the bot will trade for you up and down without requiring maintenance. If the price drops, it will buy, and if it goes up, it will sell.